take a long video.
Is there a leash in the boat?
He gobbled it. He almost gobbled it. Then he gobbled it. Yep, he gobbled it. He super gobbled it. It's almost down his throat. Moving. Is it down his throat yet?
It's right inside his body. Look, see that big thick part moving along in his body?
Yeah.
That's the fish going in.
How come he didn't chew it up?
He doesn't chew, he swallows them whole.
Keep getting them.
What's he doing, frog?
No, snake.
No, what's he eating?
A fish, but it's gone.
Caught a fish?
Yep.
Oh, you got salmon.